This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert from milliliters to cups online. So whether you need this for cooking or anything else, I like to use this site right here at unitconverters.net. You can see the URL on the screen here. It's a rather long URL, so I will put that in the video description just below the video. Click that and you will wind up here on this page. All you need to do is enter your value in milliliters. Let's say it's 123. We can find that is in fact 0.5198 cups, and you see it's very granular, it's very specific. We can see that amount right there. We can do all kinds of different amounts. So if we're doing 45, maybe it was very specific, 45.12 in milliliters, that's 0.1907 in cups. So we can see like these very specific values. If you needed to highlight that maybe for a project or something, maybe it's into a Google Doc, onto social media, wherever it is, you can highlight any of these values here and just copy and paste those into your document or wherever you need them. So really helpful, useful site. Highly recommend to bookmark this if you need to convert from milliliters to cups regularly. You don't need to like sign up for anything. This is just a free to use convert. And the great thing about unit converters is they don't have ads littered everywhere, confusing everything. This all is very clean and useful, which is what we like. You can convert from lots of different things as well right here. Hopefully you have found this video on how to convert from milliliter ml into cups in the US useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it is really useful, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.